It won't go away. I've got that feeling rushing through my body. I know that it is here to stay. It's like you're my personal Illuminati. I know that some might say that I am just a bad girl, but if you treat me right.
Alright, you guys, we're gonna do a quick kitchen clean with me. Quick is the key, but I was gonna say, we all know, but I'm as slow as a turtle, so it's gonna be kind of comical. So this is gonna be kind of hilarious, probably, maybe, if I'm like, yeah, that was 40 minutes, but I guess we'll find out. Anyways, I was gonna time myself, but I don't have a timer because I'm using my phone. Maybe I'll use my computer, I don't know, or I'll just watch the clock. It's 1:05 a.m. but I have these dishes to be done. Just a quick cleanup in the kitchen. Yes, some nights I don't feel like doing this, but that was the last 2 nights, so tonight is the night to do this. I have to empty the dishwasher, clean the dishes, and I saw a spider. Yeah, clean up. I got some new cleaning products. I will show you guys throughout the video, along with the Young Living stuff, like the wellness kind of company, non-toxic stuff. But they have this freshener. Oh my god, I'm obsessed, like literally obsessed. I will literally be the walking spokesperson or sponsor, not spokesperson, I don't know, sponsor for this product. It is insane. I love it. I literally, just for example, I had this filled yesterday. I got the stuff yesterday. That's, so, and it's concentrated stuff, so I have more, I can make more, but like, I have a problem. So, I have to order more. But I'll show you guys what they are, because they smell amazing too. I'm just gonna stop blabbing and we're gonna get to cleaning. I would just make this clip, obviously a different day, because all of my other clips that I mentioned would not upload for some reason. Partly why I want a camera, because some files not supported. I don't know. It's like I do the same thing. It's a video. I don't know. It's weird. But as I was watching the beginning of the video, I was laughing because it said I was going to do a quick clean with me in my kitchen, and I was laughing at myself because I was saying I was slow and I was going to time myself, and I didn't end up having a clip to show you guys what it looked like at the end or how long it took, and it took 2 hours. So I just thought I would let you guys know that, because I was trying to have it be like 30-45 minutes, and it did not. That didn't happen. It was like 3:30. I was done. So
about to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out.